Project controls is a process that encompasses the resources, procedures, and tools for the planning, monitoring, and controlling of all phases of the capital project lifecycle. But, do you ever wonder what are the project control techniques? If these questions are echoing in your mind, then you have come to the right video. Hi. My name is Vijay, and I am the founder of projectcontroltechniques, and today we would learn about the activities performed by a project controller on a project. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. So what are the project control techniques? Well, there are several techniques for controlling a project. However, the following 7 techniques can be easily implemented on the project. These are simple yet very powerful techniques to manage and control a project. The first one is the work breakdown structure. It is always advisable to break the scope of work into smaller packages of tasks, for easy verification of progress. From a project control perspective, it is much easier to detect a delayed or troubled task by looking at WBS. Also, it helps in the easy identification of tasks that are impacted due to the delays. The early identification of issues ensures the timely resolution of issues with minimum cost. The second one is project baselines. A fundamental control principle is to first establish a cost and schedule baseline. Then, measure and report the project performance against the baseline, and maintain it. The third one is project status meetings. Consistent and regular status meetings help to keep everyone accountable and held responsible for work assignments. Also, status meetings are powerful tools for improving project communications and managing expectations. Fourth one is project gate reviews. Gate reviews are a key technique for ensuring quality and managing expectations on project deliverables. Basically, it provides an opportunity for the team to review the required deliverables and make sure the desired result is achieved before moving to the next phase of the project. Fifth is tracking milestones. The use of predefined milestones and checkpoints ensure better project control and early warning of risks. These markers are important points to stop, report progress, review key issues, confirm that everyone is still on board, and verify that the project should proceed with its mission. Next one is formal sign-offs. Formal sign-offs are a key aspect of change control management. The formal record of review and acceptance of given deliverable helps to keep expectations aligned and minimize potential disputes. Most importantly, the formal sign-off acts as an extra incentive to appropriate stakeholders for actively engaging in the work of the project, and thereby getting a feeling of satisfaction. The last one is the V method. The V method is a term used for a common validation and verification approach. This ensures that there is validation and verification step for all deliverable and interim deliverables are achieved. The left side of V notes lists each targeted deliverable, and the right side of the V lists the verification method to be used for each deliverable. It is very important to put the correct amount of emphasis on project control. This could be the difference between the success and failure of any project. And now you know what are the top 7 project control techniques. If you'd like to know more about project control, visit us at projectcontroltechniques.com. At projectcontroltechniques.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.